Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. And as we can see on screen, Roblox is currently down. It's all over the internet right now currently. But yeah, Roblox is currently down. It's been down since like yesterday. It's still down currently. But yeah, hopefully Roblox is back up soon. Um, so I could release some Southwest Florida content for you guys, Roblox content, but currently there's going to be no Southwest Florida or Roblox related content because it is currently down. Before, like, you could like get into Roblox and there will be stuff that's not loading, but now there's a maintenance screen right here, so they could let us know that they're working on it. But yeah, it's been down for a while now, so I want to keep you guys updated on the channel. I may be doing some live streams like on other games and stuff. Maybe. Who knows though, maybe. But yeah. Also, the Southwest Florida update will not be, or I don't know if it's gonna come out today. It's supposed to come out today, but Roblox is down, so we don't really know when the update will release. But yeah, just want to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.